Hey you guys, so I know it's been a while since my last video, and if you guys are following me on Instagram or just know me personally, you know that I've been dealing with an illness. I'm not going to say I'm 100% right now, but I am definitely better than I was a few months ago. So yeah, I'm doing much better now. If you guys want to know the story, if you want me to do a story time on, my health and everything that I've been going through, just let me know down below in the comments and I'll do like an update video if you guys are interested. So we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about this unit that's on my head, and this is from a company called Cosswigs.com. They specialize in, as you see, cosplay wigs. So this is a synthetic wig. It's their rainbow wig, and I will have all of the information down below in the description box so you guys can check it out and see how you like it. Now I'm going to tell you the pros and cons about this unit, so just bear with me. I'm just getting back into video making mode, so yeah, this is kind of awkward for me. But yeah, so I decided to come back with a bang. I was contacted by this company. They asked me did I want to review one of their wigs, and I'm like, sure. Boom, this one popped out of all the wigs that they have. I like this one the most. You guys know I love colored wigs, so this was right up my alley. This was a multicolored wig. Again, I'll have everything down below in the description box. It's like 7 or 8 colors with this unit. This wig is very long. So let me just start out by saying the wig, when I first opened it up, it was rather heavy. So it does have some weight to it. And so I opened it up, and again, this is a synthetic unit. It's used for cosplay. So this is not your everyday wig. I wouldn't suggest this going to work. I guess depending on what kind of job you have, like if you work in a comic book store or someplace that you don't have to be so professional, then definitely I would suggest this unit. But I would rock this at like a concert or a rave. I haven't been to a rave in so long. A rave or Coachella or something like that. Like something like that, up that alley, where this kind of unit is acceptable in that environment, in that setting. This wig does shed a lot. Unfortunately, it does stop shedding, I should say. So when you first get it, you're going to brush it out like I did. It does tangle. It gets very tangled. Again, this wig is about, I would say, about 26 to 28 inches. I'm 5'2", and this reaches like below my behind. So it's very, very long. Again, it does tangle. So that is where most of the tangling is coming from. I'm not quite sure where the shedding is coming from. Maybe because, again, it's a synthetic unit. But I must say it's not a thin unit at all. This hair is super thick, and the reason why I'm able to run my fingers through it is because I went in with my flat iron on the lowest setting. So my lowest setting on my flat iron is 270. So I did go up to 320 just to see, if it would take heat well, and it did. Again, when I first got the wig, as you guys can see, or if you're seeing now, I might be showing you on a split screen. So if you can see, like, the wig was real tangled when I first got it, and the flat iron helped it out a lot. I didn't put any product in it at all. And what else can I say? Oh, one of the main things that I like about this wig, other than the colors, is the lace. The lace is really soft. For this to be a synthetic unit, the lace is super soft and it just melts into your skin. I do not have this wig adhered to my head at all. I didn't use any type of glue or nothing. I'm using the 2 combs that are on the sides, and it doesn't have a comb in the back, so it's not really needed because it does come with adjustable straps, so it is rather secure. Like, this wig is not going anywhere at all. So that is with the combs. I mean, you can use it without the combs. I know a lot of y'all don't like combs, so you don't have to. It's all up to you. You can adhere it to your head because, again, the lace is very soft, so you can use your glue. You can use your Gossipy Hold freeze spray. I did not do any of that because I do have another video to record, so I can't do that right now. I can't commit to this hair, although I wouldn't anyway because it's hot. It's getting nice outside, so this wig I would say is really hot, and it's because it's so thick. It's a lot of hair on this wig. Eventually, I'm probably going to cut it shorter. I'd really like to see what it looks like shorter, because right now it's just way too long for me. I was just outside walking Bella, and this hair was just all over the place, so I wouldn't wear it out like that. No, I wouldn't do that. So another thing about this unit, I don't know if I'm showing you guys now, but it does not hold a curl. So I did try to test it out with my Irresistible Me curling wand. You guys know how I feel about this thing. And yeah, I put it on the lowest setting. Matter of fact, no, I'm lying. I think it was on like 390. I wanted to test it to see how it would curl, or if it would curl, but it doesn't hold a curl at all. So if you guys are interested in this unit, they do have a curly version of the same exact wig. So if you want it curly, you could buy both if you want it straight, or you could just buy the curly one and flat iron it. But I'm pretty sure, seeing as how it's synthetic, that the curls won't come back. So hey, if I was you and you really like this wig, just buy two. Hey, you have a curly one and you have a straight one, no worries. So I was rather surprised when I saw that, because I was on my phone looking at, you know, the specs on this wig. It's really not much specs. It's just a colorful synthetic rainbow wig, and I actually like it. I don't know, I mean, I just wore it outside to walk Bella, and I got a few head turns, and somebody was like, oh, that's really nice, it goes with your makeup, and I'm like, thank you. But I don't think I would rock it like going, I don't know, you guys. We'll see, because I'm gonna keep her, I'm gonna cut her just a little shorter, because right now it's way too long. I don't know if you guys can see this, but yeah, it's really, really, really long. Like, look. Like, it doesn't even stop. So if you guys are interested, once again, this company is called Cosswigs.com. I will leave, again, everything down below so you guys can check it out. And let me know if you guys want that update video on how I've been, what I've been doing, all my health issues. If you want to know, let me know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.